Why does your scanner show the P0416 engine code? What does it mean? P0416 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system switching valve B circuit open. This error code indicates it means your vehicle's ECM has detected a break, disconnection, or electrical fault in the circuit that controls the switching valve of the secondary air injection system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, failed switching valve actuator, blown relays or fuses, water damage, faulty ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Dodge, Ram, Ford, GMC, Chevrolet, Volkswagen, and Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.